I'm here with Tim Leifels from Moree. He's been running our gauge wheels and closing wheels for a few years now. He might just step us through the advantages that he's seen with the both wheels. He was there from the conception of the closing wheel, actually. That was there when we first started. We might even chat about the closing wheel for a start on your MaxEmerge, Tim. How'd you go? How have they been going?
When we first tried them, there was a huge difference. We only had 2 units with the wheels on, and the germination of those 2 wheels compared to the other 5, and our sorghum was tremendously better. It pounded out of the ground like there was no tomorrow, and it seemed to close the trench up really well.
Do you find them with even the cleaning aspect of them, the coil as well?
Yeah. There's no mud, no build up of mud on there, and it seemed to work really well.
Okay, then we progressed to the gauge wheel, or from a suggestion from yourself and your workman saying, "Can we do it?" And there you run the gauge wheels on the 2 machines, isn't it? On your Cedar and 1890.
I did 1890 for our winter program, and also on our MaxEmerge for our summer program, cotton and sorghum, and they seem to work really well. They keep the disc a lot cleaner with extra scraper inside, and no blocks up with heavy residue. Like it's easy, good for trash flow. It clears itself really well. It seems to move a fair bit of trash away from the trench, especially on our MaxEmerge. And then you get the coil wheels; those 2 together, and it massage the soil back in the trench, and get a very perfect seed to soil contact.
Have you found that one of the things that we have seen, but from yourself, you said there's no cracking? Does it avoid the crack?
It actually eliminates hairpinning, everything, the Kinsey so-called cracks. It works really well with that. And all different soils, anyway, from the heavy clays to the heavy basalt country around our southern farm.
And your southern farm's got plenty of rocks, and they can handle that too?
Yeah, plenty of rocks. They sort of just roll over there.
Okay, and what about the not only the wheel keeping clean? Do you find that keeps the disc clean as well? That cutting edge on the, as we've got here, that edge here. How's that sort of go with your? How do you find that edge cutting this mud off your disc?
Yeah, it works really well. It gives a bit of a uniform sort of platform there for the Seed-Vee rundown.
Okay,
so yeah, works well.
You're a happy customer.
Yeah, very good.
All right,
Repeat customer.
Repeat customer.